Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with 3 essentials: the trade license PDF, Emirates ID, and the company CR, scanned and ready. Once logged into Adcb Online with your business profile and 2FA, go straight to Accounts then Documents. Click the Trade License Update tile to start the workflow. This opens the Upload dialog and shows required fields. You'll see file size limits and a drop-down for document type, so choose Trade License and then attach the file. Make sure the date and company name match exactly to avoid rejection. Once done with upload, complete the detailed form fields. Issuer, issue date, and expiry date, type them exactly as on the license. You will then link the license to one or multiple accounts. Select accounts now so Adcb routes verification correctly. If prompted, attach supporting documents like POA or signatory list. Make sure file names are clear, then press Submit for verification. You'll get an on-screen confirmation and a reference ID. Note it down for tracking and follow the next steps to finalize. After submission, monitor requests or document updates to follow progress. Adcb typically reviews within 24 to 72 hours. If the file is accepted, the system updates the account and notifies you. Make sure to confirm the new expiry shows correctly. If it's rejected, the common causes are named /date mismatches or low-quality scans. Rescan at 300 dpi and re-upload. Finally, if you need faster handling, contact your relationship manager or Adcb support quoting the reference ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.